Improving your hearing in just 30 days might sound far-fetched, but the truth is, it's entirely within your reach. And contrary to what many believe, it doesn't require expensive devices, invasive treatments, or countless doctor visits. In fact, all it takes is adopting simple and effective habits, done daily, that can transform the health of your ears and the quality of the sounds you perceive. First, it's important to understand that hearing isn't just about your ears. It's directly connected to how your brain functions and the lifestyle you lead. Think about it this way. Just like you exercise your body to keep your muscles strong, your hearing also needs regular stimulation to stay sharp. That's exactly what we're going to explore today. Did you know that what you eat has a direct impact on your ability to hear? It might sound surprising, but it's a fact. Your body requires specific nutrients to strengthen the tiny, delicate components of the inner ear. Foods rich in zinc, like nuts and seeds, help protect the sensory cells in your ears, which are vital for picking up sounds. Magnesium, found in leafy greens like spinach, acts as a shield, protecting your ears from damage caused by loud and frequent noise exposure. But it's not just about eating the right foods. Have you ever considered how important staying hydrated is? Your inner ear relies on fluid to function properly. And when you don't drink enough water, you're disrupting this natural process. Simply drinking more water throughout the day can make a bigger difference than you might imagine. Here's something you probably didn't know. You can literally exercise your ears. Not with weights, of course, but through simple exercises that train your brain to process sounds more clearly. For example, try sitting in a quiet spot and focusing on the subtle sounds around you. It could be the chirping of a bird, the distant hum of a car, or even the sound of your own breathing. This helps your brain reconnect with your hearing more effectively. Another critical point that many people overlook is giving your ears a break. We live in a noisy world, loud music, traffic, TVs, and even constant headphone use at high volumes. Allowing your ears to rest isn't just helpful, it's essential. Take regular breaks during the day, avoid loud environments whenever possible, and invest in earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. Remember, a small pause now can prevent irreversible damage later. Speaking of damage, do you know the most common mistakes that sabotage your hearing? One of them is improper use of cotton swabs. Cleaning your ears seems logical, but in reality, it often does more harm than good. Cotton swabs push wax deeper into the ear canal, potentially causing blockages or even infections. Instead, opt for safer methods like ear cleaning solutions available at most drugstores. Another mistake is ignoring warning signs. That constant ringing or difficulty hearing softer sounds isn't something to brush off. These are your body's way of signaling that something's wrong. The sooner you act, the better the results will be. Let me share something that might change your perspective. Many studies show that relaxation techniques like meditation and stress management can significantly improve hearing health, especially for those dealing with tinnitus. Stress affects the blood vessels in your ears, reducing the flow of oxygen and essential nutrients. By managing stress, you're indirectly taking care of your hearing. And speaking of taking care, there's a way to speed up these results even further. If you're ready to take your ear health to the next level, I recommend checking out the link in the description of this video. You'll find a resource there that combines the best ingredients and strategies to naturally and effectively boost your hearing. Don't wait. Your hearing health deserves attention today. Back to the topic. I want to emphasize the importance of building a routine. Many people give up on improving because they expect immediate results, but the key is consistency. Make these habits as natural as brushing your teeth. Whether it's drinking more water, practicing hearing exercises, or adjusting your diet, all of these combined will have a massive positive impact over time. And remember, your hearing is one of the most precious senses you have. Imagine not being able to hear the laughter of your loved ones or losing the sounds that form part of your cherished memories. It's worth dedicating time and effort to preserve this. The good news is, you're not alone in this journey. I'm here to guide you, and the tools you need are within reach. So, take what you've learned today and start implementing these tips immediately. And don't forget to check out the resource I mentioned in the description. It might just be the missing piece you need to completely transform your ear health. The power to change is in your hands. Take care of your hearing and enjoy a life filled with clear, vibrant sounds.